Good morning. Guess whose camera turned up early? Morning, everybody. Sorry I couldn't go live yesterday. I have family here, so today's stream is gonna be relatively short. I just wanted to do a bit of a stream, but how are we all doing? Morena. Good morning, good morning. I don't have time to watch, but I hope you're well and lovely day, evening. Look after yourself, brother. Thank you, brother Dead, over on YouTube. Cheer him on, bro. So, morning everyone on Twitch. Morena. Oh, I can hear my nephew crying. How we doing, guys? Yeah, it's pretty cold Sunday morning. Yeah, just throwing a cheeky 2-hour stream maybe. I don't want to be on here too much while my in-laws are here, especially my nephew. I like spending time with him. What was that? Oh, Joy Tour. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Getting us started in the daily sub goal, my bro. We've been hitting it for 5 days in a row. 5 days in a row. But yeah, we're gonna do some more of this today. I think I wanna save the handle for Monday. Yo, Ratbuster, thank you for the Optimus Prime too, my bro. Sorry about that, guys. Hey, what's up, Joy? Love your stuff, man. Thank you, bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, I haven't had breakfast yet, so tank's empty, bro. Hey, she's pretty cold today. Thank you very much to Crazy Craftsy for the 200 biddies. Kia ora, bro. Move over to YouTube. What's up, Kicking Milk? Morning, my brother. Morning. So if you don't know, guys, is it Friday? My camera that I had for 4 years decided to kick the bucket. But shout out to PB Tech though with the fast delivery. I only ordered it Thursday, turned up Friday afternoon. So we're back in business. Sonny. Thank you, Charlie. How are you, brother? Hold on, chat. Let me just look for this bloody one chisel that takes me long to find. Here it is. Hey, thanks for the hype train as well, guys. How are we on this Sunday morning? I know it'll still be Saturday for some. I have re-downloaded Destiny. I repeat, I have re-downloaded Destiny. Yo, Ellison, thank you for the 50 months, my bro. Thank you very, very much. I was gonna put up a TikTok stream today, but my phone's flat. I need Twitch to get up, man, because TikTok's about to overtake us, the biggest following. Get up, Twitch. How's the painting going, bro? I've been seeing you and your young fella doing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, the TikTok's been like popping off lately. Every time I go live, it's like crazy. The kids want to watch the stream, so I just told them. Gotta ride the wave, yeah, yeah, yeah. I've just been in, yeah. I've been feeling good with the momentum I've been like on, but also, trying to deliver too. Still wondering about TwitchCon, but I'm definitely gonna attempt a 24-hour soon. So I'll start out here and finish up inside. Hi from Chile. Hola. What's up, Joe, over on YouTube? Got both streams running today? Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'd have all three up, but yeah, I don't normally stream on weekends, but I was talking to my wife and I told her I might try and do like 2 hours tops on the weekends. Like try and start relatively early and get into it. Just because I've been enjoying it so much, eh? Hi girls! Hey boy! What? What she's watching? Put me on the TV, not on the phone. I'm just gonna do 2 hours, then I'll come over. Okay, so what I'm looking for right now is just slight, little, very small wood tags. They might be located anywhere on the carving. Gotta feed the tamariki. All good, my bro. Have a good one, eh? And thank you very much for the resub. 50 months. Holy. What's up, Brick God? Hope my son grows up to have a good nature and kindness. You do, brother. Respects you. You will, brother, because you're his dad. How much carving? Well, majority of the carving is done, eh? Like, majority of the main stuff is done. Like, all of this, from the head right down to the pedal itself, all of it's done. I'm just looking for, like, little things. Like, that's something that I do. It's kind of a me thing. It's not you, it's me. Like, if I see a little wood tag, I want to take it off. But majority of the molding and the designing itself is done And all we have to do is shape the pedal and the top of the pedal and it's done. And I'll most likely carve the, I'll do the eyes off stream, or I might even just shape them. But yeah, still early days. Still early days, my brother. Good evening from the UK. Good evening, brother. How are you? Good night from Belgium. What's up, Dick? So it'll be relatively late within Europe? Definitely, Europe and Europe and America are probably the two biggest, like where most of the viewership comes from for the stream. Yo, what's up, Chicken Joe? Wait, A1? Oh, true. Oh yeah, it's getting pretty late there. How did you learn your skills? So Whakairo is Maori wood carving. Has been around for many years. At the same time, it was a skill set that was passed down, like generational knowledge. And long story short, I learned this off my uncle who was a carver. So every Friday we'd have like classes out of the like normal school subjects every Friday, and Whakairo was one of them. So I decided to, pick up on it, being curious George, and because it was my uncle at the same time, I just thought, why not? It's uncle. See what it's all about. And essentially before we even picked up a chisel or a mallet, way before the tools, he explained where Whakairo came from. What's up, Rock Lara and Endless over on YouTube? Are you putting in those crystal like eyes to match? Yeah, abalone seashell. Yeah. Wait, there's a static noise? Hold up, watch this. Gotta give it the cartridge treatment. Is it gone now? The real Elb, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, see, that's what you have to do. If you're a gamer from the 80s and the 90s, we had these things called cartridges, okay, Gen Z? Keep up with me. What we would do, if it wasn't working well, we'd take that bugger out, and normally where the cartridge sits on the console, give it a bit of airflow, clean it out, then you jam that bugger right back in the gaming console, and works the charm again. So that's what I call it, the cartridge treatment. Phenom-tastic, bro. I have the slowest chat right now, and you started to get the full S1 face off. Oh, brother, that's an L for me, my bro. It's Gen Z, right? Is it Gen Z? Or is it TikTok Gen, whatever they call it? Oh, brother. How is this fun, my bro? Hey hope he's been good. I haven't been caught by Cornwood yet, so I'm winning, I guess. My character calls him Cornhole. Yo, Vimp, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Hey, thank you very much for the raid and welcome to the stream. I hope you had a wonderful stream as well. What were you streaming? Oh, here's just fine. I saw your TikTok. Yeah, bro. That's that was a bit of a meme that used to go around. You look like Isfan when you starting your cult. I was like, don't you try and Isfan me that much. But it was definitely an honor to meet him at TwitchCon and then again at BlizzCon as well. Such a good dude. Such a good dude. I'm doing good, Vimp. I'm doing really good. I'll be honest, I am looking forward to playing some Destiny this evening. Not gonna lie. The skill this takes, I would say patience is one thing too. Just taking your time. Something Maui would own. Boat snack? Yeah, probably. Not gonna lie. I was on Apex that time, just setting about to make food in the air fryer. Ooh, what are you having though? That's the $1 million question. I'm interested in trying out Monster Hunter. I've never played a Monster Hunter game before, but I'm definitely keen to try it. I know everyone's kinda going feral over their girl with the big hair, the blonde hair. But yeah, that looks pretty fun. Chicken strip with the chicken strips. There's a good dude. Let's not forget he was in. What's that? What's a NCAA? Sorry, I'm not really good with like code words. Beautiful work, incredible piece. Thank you, Richard, over on TikTok. I done carving videos. Oh, did you? I'm just designing the nose. Chicken breast pieces and fries. Ooh. Static noise is back again? What the fuck? One moment. What is this? Jeez, one thing gives out and now another thing seems to be giving out. My goodness. What should I pick? I'll probably just pick chicken strips and fries, to be honest. With the chicken strips. So with the next generation, right? You know how the current generation is Gen Z. Do they start the alphabet over again for the next generation? Just random thoughts of a woodcarver. Gen Alpha. Oh, did they start going into that stuff? Hey, model, I'm doing good, man. How are you? Yeah, it's not gonna be a long Sunday stream today. It's just a cheeky short one. I was supposed to do one yesterday, but my nephew turned up and I wanted to spend time with him. He's still here, so that's why the stream's gonna be short today. Just 'cause he's here. Because I wanted to do some videos about, because you know, I didn't know you were Maori, so there's no way for me to know that you are Maori. Well, yeah, I'm Maori too. I've been carving since I was 12, and I've been through the most renowned carving school to uplearn, or to upskill. I've had the job of being my own resident carver for a company, for a tourism company. And yeah. Hey, cheer, Thunder and Omega. Cheer. How we doing? Kina hui yo. Kai manawa. What's up, Titus Yang? So, my brother. Thank you, Apple Pie. Every time I see the word apple pie, it reminds me of hitting first base from American Pie. What are your thoughts on the movie Surf's Up? Big Z's my favourite. And Chicken Joe. They're my two favourite characters in that franchise. The wrestling one is kinda meh. When they meet like Triple H and all of them. Thought it was kinda like meh. To be honest, but yeah. You watching the anime? Just One Piece, man. Couple of endless. Reaching. Man, got quoted to power the studio. Bloody. Wait, just to like install power? I thought you were gonna be like extension cord gang. True, far up. About the second one too. Yeah. I like Big Z's design too, like how he's got the flowers along the side there. I like the part when he's finding the board. Because I totally relate to it because I get like that too. Find the board. Oh, I'll get some PowerPoints, but no, it's 20 meter extension cord gang now. Fair enough. Have you ever been to Japan? No, I haven't. Nah, never. The only countries I've been to, and I only just got to travel recently, was America, Australia and America. Those are the only two. Yeah, I haven't really done much travelling in my life. Not much. Oh, I'm over this rubbish already. Okay, I'm playing some hackers. How's it working at Disneyland, bro? Would it be possible for an anime Maori wood carving? Or is that disrespectful? It's possible, but for me personally, I like to stick to my culture majority of the time. However, I'll be carving one of the bros GTA characters. So if you don't know, there's like Grand Theft Auto roleplay servers. They're like modded Grand Theft Auto roleplay servers, and people play characters. And recently, one of the bros, he pyramid his character. So pyramiding your character means, you know, they did. And he talked about getting a carving of his character TJ done. So that's on the cards as well. But within the Whakairo style, so which gives me more leeway. Was that the whole chain gang stuff? Yeah. So when they stormed the council and clapped everyone, one of the bros did Doc Wizard's his name. He did death rolls instead for his situation in ICU, and he pyramid playing Hogwarts Legacy, which reminds me, I need to get my one back from my cousin. Yeah. So, and he was a high command of ADMC. I don't really keep up with what they do these days. I'm more, because my character's, you know, helping out with Chain Gang more. But yeah, his character pyramid. So there's a few characteristics with him. The crow, so I can just do a Manaya. A stopwatch, and his boyfriend was IDDQD's character, Jesse Reed, and I'll add his logo in the background somewhere. Oh yeah, the stopwatch is the main one. Good morning there, Sir Dipshit Gaming. How are you, brother? Glad you're doing these streams. Thank you, Titus. Yeah, I'm just glad I get to do them on YouTube now because I feel like I haven't been, the best person with my channel lately. One of my connections on my family tries to... Oh, true, so just mā tātua ki te nota. Yeah, I'm Tūhoi and Te Arawa, the main tribes, but I have many. What are some popular local dishes in your part of the world? I would be down to visit. Our dishes. I think majority of everyone just likes to come here to try the harami, which is our just food cooked in our ground ovens. Like some of our traditional dishes you can't really have anymore, like birds and that. That's what our ancestors used to eat. Majority of the time, there's toroi. It's like a fermented dish. I've been learning about rewana. Oh, bro, love me some rewana. My wife's nan. Oh, it's always the nans that make the mean rewana breads, bro. Straight up. But my wife's getting into making them now. I was like, babe, they better be better than your nans, babe. What are you making today? We are carving noses. So you see this nose here? We're just carving the lines on the nose right now. Just doing those little things. All the little 1%ers right now. That's what we're up to right now, brother. Just getting in those little 1%ers. What kind of art is this? Whakairo, Maori wood carving. Maori are the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand, pretty much. So this is a song from my home. Nā Maori karikana te hana. Ko te tiriti o Waitangi. Oh, would you say your house would be in Hogwarts? Ooh. I don't know. I like Gryffindor, but at the same time, my favourite colour's green. Yeah, it's a hard one. Expecto Patronum. Your grandfather taught you about the musket wars? Oh, yeah. Expecto Patronum. Mednekera. To say I am a huge fan with the flow of your energy. Yeah, Johan Korn or Kuhn. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're currently just carving like the little things right now, just trying to get those done. And then we go to from there. I'm just looking for chisel right now. Did you manage to fix your cam problem? I had to get another one. I ended up just trading in some stuff. So I was looking at it yesterday, and then I noticed when I dropped it, or when the wind dropped it the other day, the crack went deeper than the outside of it. So it was like, ah. Chubby, hey! Bearded Benji! Thank you for the 15 months as an Optimus Prime, my brother! How are you? Sure, my brother. Thank you very much, brother. There you go. Oh! Feeling tired? Oh, yeah, I feel that, brother. Charlie Stewart, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. He's 6 out of 30 on the daily sub goal. Thank you very much, brother. I don't think we're going to hit it today, just because it's going to be a short one today. Ooh, it's getting cold. Also, check. I wore what is it called? Not a bathrobe, the other ones. Bro, I didn't realise how warm they were. It's like, ooh, I'm feeling a bit cozy. Tuta wana wana. Hey. Dude, that's sick. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's almost done, my bro. Well, the majority of the main stuff is done. Just getting those little 1%ers out the way. The little 1%ers now. Cerebus DG, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you, Cerebus. Hey, Zydil, how are you, brother? Thank you for the 3 months. Kia ora, my bro. What the hell, that's amazing. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. Hello from Argentina. Hola. Omnia, thank you for gifting a sub to Holrick. Kia ora, Omnia. Oh no, but these streams are comforting. W. Like I always said, you know, this is just my cheeky little corner on the internet where people can chill out. I want to liken it to a cozy fire and a cup of tea. Try to, anyway. Yeah! Woo! Who's my Elsa rubber? Damn! Such a chill stream. Yeah, man. I'm happy that's being said. Not gonna lie, bro. This has come along. I mean, not sure about anyone else, but I can't hear you. Gonna roll a joint and watch you while I play Oblivion. Do your thing, brother. Do you do commissions for people around the world at least for smaller? Yeah, pretty much, brother. Sturdy brother who's in the chat now, he was the first to redeem a free carving. We did him a pretty bit of a big one, eh? Oh, which reminds me, I saw an Insta DM from a girl. I don't know if she's still in the country. Last night, her friend's a fan, and she was asking if I had a keychain. Fuck, I'm sure I got one somewhere. I forgot to reply to it last night. Oh, oh, I feel so bad now. Oh, Silent Jax, thank you for the Optimus promo right behind me. You got Shahin Mill, did I say that right? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, man. How long does a piece like this take to do? In terms of the hours that we've done, I would say, how many hours have we been on this for? I don't even know if we've done like a full 24 hours yet, brother. In terms of like hours. Maybe, yeah, something like that. Yeah, not even that long. proper, man, because this is not scented. Hold up. And it's annoying me. Yeah. Nah, I'm not even good at doing Chewbacca. I seen this one guy that does it without even rolling his tongue, bro. He is the man. It's some guy that goes, "I'm going vegan," and then he shows his pan that where he's cooking, and then it's like got chicken on it, and he's like, "Arr, arr, 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 arr." Oh, bro, he does it so good. Man's got it down to a fine art. Sorry, Chad, just looking for a chisel. But yeah, I've never really been into the Star Wars franchise that much until Mandalorian, really. That was good, really, bro. That dude that does it on TikTok, bro. Where you always just good at sketching timber? Not always. I guess the more you do it, the better you get. Can I get up now? Oh, good man. Practice is key. That is very true. No matter what you do, practice is key. I'm getting hungry, chat. I'm feeling hash browns and eggs. Nothing too crazy. This time chicken in, nice job on the carving there. Thank you all. Appreciate you, brother. I wouldn't mind some eggs Benny though. I haven't had eggs Benny in a while. Eggs Benny would be really nice. Listening to you, you really have a talent, bro. Thank you, brother Stephen. I gotta learn how to make it. I gotta learn how to make the sauce. So I'm just doing the last bit of carving on this piece really. What kind of mallet do you use? In Ireland, carving mallets would be round shape rather than a square. Yeah, bro, we just use it like, this is like your normal, the normal mallet we use. Just, so the timber here is called rata, R-A-T-A, is how you spell it. It's a native hardwood. But the difference with this hardwood, it doesn't start out as a tree. It starts out as a vine and takes over the host tree and strangles it, and then it becomes the tree, pretty much. Some perfect cell kind of stuff. So yeah, this is just my standard. This is like the mallet I've been using since 2015. 2015 is how long I've had this mallet for, and yeah, 2015. So I've carved many things with this mallet. It used to be my tutor's and he didn't want it, so he gave it to me. I just took it so I didn't have to make one. But I do know how to make a mallet anyway. Yeah, I've been able to do meeting houses with this, large scale projects, many carvings, many. And my big mallet that I use for like a lot of heavy duty moulding and taking off a lot of timber is this one here. So that's my big moulding mallet. The only mistake I made with this one is I didn't put a pommel bit on the end, or like just a butt there, kind of like this one, just so you know it had a firm grip. But yeah, that's the only mistake I made with that one, mind you. it was excess timber anyway, no one wanted. So I kind of just used scraps to make my mallets, and I've got a lighter one in my shed which I hardly ever use. So I don't really use it anymore because I do my light moulding and medium to heavy moulding with this. Yo, Omnia, thank you for the 2 months. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, so this is what we've done so far. So to those that are new, this wasn't my commission to begin with. I'll just go and get the other one. So my uncle, who taught me how to woodcarve, as I mentioned earlier, these were his commissions to begin with. But recently, a couple weeks ago, he passed away from a heart attack. And so, with him being gone, they kind of fell to me, one of his students, to do. So this hoe, or pedal, is my own version of the one he's done, so I have it with me right now that I'm going to show you. But all the things that I do within Maori woodcarving, right, within Whakairo, it's all traditional. So it's all been passed down. So all of this right here is my variation. This is the one my uncle did before he passed away. So this one here. I don't normally like doing pedals this shape, but because his one is this shape, I did it as well, just to show a bit of acknowledgement there for my uncle. But yeah, this is the one he did. You can see the power inlay. So the power is a shell. The eye is there. The power shell is known as abalone. It's nice in a chowder too. But yeah, this is what he did before he passed away. So the design is rape rape. Rape rape was the first design I ever learnt from my uncle, and it can represent many things. From a rock being thrown in the water to two entities coming together, you know, for anyone. Like, this can be me and my Twitch community coming together to create one. Your fingerprint, it all depends really what you want it to be. But yeah, so this is his one he did. So this is the one he did. I might do a head on the top too, I'm not sure. Just to, you know, keep it in line with my uncle's. I was just gonna do like a normal end, but design it. But we shall see. See, that's him right there. Nothing on the back. And this is my own version. So this design is called Tara Tara Akai. So this is the kind of like the normal Tara Tara Akai flow you would do. This variation here is done within the Raupo design, or Raupo formation. So Raupo is a Rauponga is the fern. So you see how the fern grows, kind of like that. I was gonna do Rauponga on the other side, but I was you know, I wanted to do something else on the other side anyway, just because why not, pretty much. But it's all sticking within Tara Tara Akai, the design. Now Kai was an ancestor known for his really ugly teeth. Let's just say he could have did well with some veneers back in the day, and that's what those notches represent, his teeth. Yeah, sometimes in our culture whānau, there are designs that end up being named after individuals like Rauru, renowned master woodcarver, and there's a design called Rauru as well. But yeah, this is pretty much my style, all within the traditional. Is it spectrum? Would I say that, or all within the traditional ways of carving, pretty much. Yeah, all sticking to traditional. So within our culture, to those that are new, all our designs come from our surroundings, individuals, and some. So we have many designs, many designs. That's on. I want to try and get iPad streams done, but I haven't tried connecting my iPad to the PC yet. I'd like to go through every single design pretty much. Yes, I was taught in a school called Kepuia, which is the most renowned carving school in the world. Maori wood carving school. So what up? Put a bit of it up in there for Uncle. I guess in a sense this is kind of like my closure for my uncle's passing too. And I wouldn't, do it any other way other than doing it with what he taught me. Pretty much. It was the last time I spent some time genuinely with my uncle before he passed away was my wedding. My wedding day. And that's the last time I spent any time with my uncle. So this is kind of like closure for me too. Yeah, this can be for my uncle, this little section here. On the whole carving, pretty much. Since Rapi Rapi was the first design he ever taught me, Rapi Rapi can be the last design I do on this commission. Nah. So a little characteristic that I like to do on a lot of my carvings as well, whānau, is just designing one eyebrow. Sorry about your uncle. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Where does your eyebrow style come from? So these three different faces within Whakairo that we do. So my uncle's one that you saw is called a wheku. This is called a ruru, night owl. There's another variation of this called a kōruru. It just has a sharper brow. Um, Human faces, from what I was told, human faces weren't really carved until Christianity made its way into the country. Hence the reason why I've never really carved human faces. Because in my eyes they're not traditional. But it's just an excuse so I don't have to carve a human head because they're hard. And they're annoying. Man, I think it's a trait we get from my uncle, pretty much. He goes, human heads are boring. It's a trait I get from my uncle, to be honest. Even my cousins like that, who was taught by him too. So that's our excuse for not doing them. I can do them, but Hey bro, what iwi are you from? So I come from Tūhoe and Te Arawa, Ngāti Pikiao, Ngāti Whakahemo, Ngāti Rongomai. I have connections down in Ōpape too, down in Ngāti Pro on my koro side. That's all I know really. Carving, such beautiful, I hope you well. Hey, you too, chaps. You too. What's up, Zai? Yeah, so got connections all over the place. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's most of the hardcore stuff done, chat. Yeah, it didn't take long. Yeah, so all we have to do really is the handle and the top. I don't know if I'm gonna carve a face yet. I like just having your normal pommel at the end there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Cause I don't my auntie, they didn't really explain quite well what they wanted. They just said, they didn't say if it was for a man or a lady. So I'm kind of keeping it neutral. Keeping it very much nice from Ngāti Whakaue. Yeah, me too. I don't really know my Whakaue connections that well. Yeah, my nan was a very, very proud Ngāti Pikiao kuia. Now from the UK, what's up, my brother? I know it's late over there, my bro, so please don't stay up at silly o'clock too. Need you getting some rest too, my brother. Woo. It's all there, it's all there. What was the Maori afterlife believed to be for Christianity? It's still, we still believe in it today. Te pō nui, te pō roa. So the long night where all our loved ones go when we pass away. Like, I'll be honest, I can only speak for myself too. I don't really follow Christianity or any other faith that was introduced into the country by people who aren't Maori. That's just how I've always been. And will continue to be honest. Like, I believe more in the Maori gods. I'm not trying to, take a shot at any faith, but yeah, they all go up to Te Rere. So when our people, I've heard like many variations how people go into the afterlife. So some of our people go up to Te Rere Whakairo, so it's at the very top of the North Island. Some people call it Spirit Cove, so it's where the two seas meet together, and our people jump off the cliff into the next life. So right at the top there's a place called Te Rere Whakairo where all our people go after they've passed away. Another variation I've heard is when Matariki comes. So Matariki's in 3 weeks' time, which is the Maori New Year. I'm trying to sort out a Matariki themed stream so I can teach you a bit more about that. They say that's when Tāne comes on his canoe, Tāne Mahuta. He travels across Aotearoa and he throws his fish net out over the country to gather all the souls to take them into the next life. Yeah. But yeah, at the moment I'm trying to like gather some info about Matariki, just to tell you about the stars and each individual star too. And so we can talk about that a little bit too. Like my streams don't always have to be about Whakairo. Like, there's more to my culture than what you see. Yeah. What you see, like, and that's what I want to touch base on too. So yeah, we'll be talking a bit about Matariki. Pleiades is what you might know as Subaru, but we call it Matariki in our culture. I am going to try my hardest to see if there's any Matariki celebrations in the early hours of the morning, and I'm going to take the stream pack with me and I want to go and show you. So, okay, talking time in so you can see my face. So, something we do to herald in the Maori New Year is umu kohu kohu is one, just to acknowledge the stars. So our stars represent many different things, from like, they can represent, fresh water, fish, ngā hua rākau, ngā hua whenua, vegetables, all that kind of stuff. So we make like offerings to the stars in these particular things called umu kohu kohu, just to show acknowledgement to them when they begin to appear in the night sky. And I want to try and take you to one with the stream pack, but it has to be like, it has to be somewhere where the bag won't disconnect. Cut in triangles or squares? I'm gonna be honest, I feel like they taste better in triangles. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna say triangles. I feel like triangles taste better. What would you think of a non-Maori people believed in the traditional Maori religion? Oh, good on them. Like, it's the same with our language, eh? When people who aren't of Maori descent want to learn the language, people think, well, come at them with the Shrek syndrome, with our pitchforks. But more so, it's the complete opposite. We more buzz out that people, actually want to learn our language, which I think is pretty cool. Like, for example, if you just want to, like, quick, like, introduction or a hello, you would say, Kia ora, my name is Brox, or Kia ora ko Brox, tōku ingoa, no Aotearoa ahau. So, hello, my name is Brox, I'm from Aotearoa. Yeah. Where are you from? The first time I saw one of your streams, I thought you were from the UK. No, I'm not. I am, yeah. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Right next to Australia. So I stay on the North Island of Aotearoa, New Zealand, called Te Ika a Maui. So if you don't know who Maui is, chat, Maui is actually real. He's not a Maori ancestor. There are some people within our culture that try to say, no, Maui's our ancestor, but in all honesty, in my opinion, Maui is a Polynesian ancestor. Like, he wasn't necessarily one who helped one people in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa. So Te Moana Nui a Kiwa is the Polynesian Triangle. And so him and his brothers actually travelled down this part of the world, and Maui fished up the Ika Maui. So the North Island is the fish of Maui. Where he hooked it was on the left fin. So if you look for a place called Hawke's Bay, so if you're looking at the country, it's on the right. There's a hook shape on the fin of the left fin of the fish itself. That's where Maui caught it. And the South Island is known as Te Waka Maui, so the canoe of Maui. And right down the bottom we have Stewart Island, known as the anchor of the canoe. So that's why I always say Maui wasn't necessarily tied down to one people. A lot of people try and, lay claim to Maui, but I like he's just being the papega at this point. Can we formally get rid of Toku? Toku? Taku? Yeah. Don't know why my brain didn't process the action. Nah, you're good, bro. You're good, bro. It's late in the UK. You need to go to bed. It's aloha from Hawaii. Namihi one down. Taku Kanaka. How are you, brother? I love to have a trip to New Zealand. See where's the best places to go. Queenstown is the best place to go. That's where me and my wife plan to go for our honeymoon in June or July, one of them. So that's why I've been trying to save, because there's a possibility that I might go to TwitchCon too. Yo guys, thank you for the Optimus Prime, getting us halfway to Daily Sub goal, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. The Stingray, yeah, pretty much still. Yeah, pretty much. So this is what we've done so far. So I haven't started this section yet. So we just done all of that. Yo, one down, you know that what's that bloody thing going on in Hawaii at the moment? Yo, Crazy Joe, thank you for the Optimus Prime. I really wish I could have went, but yeah, it's not my thing. Appreciate that, Chicken Joe. Since last time I opened Twitch, how have you been? Well, my bro? I've been good. Life's been good. I got a bit fatter. I got married. got a bit skinny, got a bit fatter again, and now we're getting back to the skinny part. Hopefully. But yeah, brother, we've just been carving this, and so I am gonna be streaming weekends. However, there'll only be a max of 2 hours. I don't want to spend too much time away from my family. Weekends are normally time for my family, but my wife said you've been getting a lot of momentum, so it only makes sense for you to do a little stream. And plus, my niece and my nephew are here, so I don't want to be too long away from them. So I want to go spend some time with them too. The cycle of marriage, that is true. Yeah, no, I don't like getting too skinny and one time because you get cold too fast. Even now I'm getting cold. To the top, can't see. Oh no, I need to find me some Hawaiian streamers, man. Wonder if, how you train? First time shooting, let's go. Hey, what's up, Shrix? Damn, cook oh, bro. It is, yeah, I'd imagine it'd be cold down in the south. It was like -2 here this morning. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, oh, this hoodie's getting a bit colour faded. Now I've had it for a couple of years. Yeah. I'm that guy, like, I don't necessarily buy new clothes all the time. Only when I need them. Only when I need new clothes, I'll buy clothes. But I got this hoodie from Nate Shot. Nate Shot was the one that gave me these. Gave me this hoodie, gave me a t-shirt and a hat as well. I still wear the hat to this day. I even wear it to the gym. To the top, can't see. No. Hates that I hardly buy clothes. Yeah, me too. Like, I hardly buy clothes too. I think the clothing that I buy the most of is probably socks. I'm pretty sure a lot of the brothers can relate to this. I do not buy new jocks until the last thread has separated from the elastic band. That's how long I hold it down with my undergarments. That's just me personally, you know, I hold it down, the loyalty's there. Yo, Podge, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Nah, that's all you. Hey, I'll hold it down, bro. I'll hold it down to the last thread, bro. It's like when my wife, she bought them out, I was like, look at these! Look like these fucking things went through Chernobyl and come out on the other side. Like, no, they're still good. They're still good. Yo, thank you very much to ASAP Missionary for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Yeah. That's how loyal I am to the undergarments, man. They still holding on, yeah, bro, like that scene in Spider-Man with the train and he's holding on to the very end. What are the socks shoes for? Feet? The fuck? Alright, I admit sometimes I'm too lazy to put my Crocs on and I just walk out with my socks on. Even if the grass might be slightly on the wet side, it's gotta be faster. That's all, it's gotta be faster. Now that's one thing I do not understand. People that buy ripped jeans, you literally paid for something that probably went through the bloody shredder. Like my niece, so she's like 16 now. She had these jeans where half the fucking leg was gone. She was like half the front of the leg was gone, and she came in. I was like, "What the fuck are you wearing?" See me wearing jeans, see where's the rest of it? Did you leave it in the room? You ain't going out like that. It's like, you can put some fucking proper clothes on. What if Ninja got a lower top fade? What fade? I remember that. I just got a fade and we're like, where's the fade? You know that one meme of that, what's his name? The guy from The Hangover? And he's looking at a little note with little writing on it. That was my reaction to him showing his fade. I was like, where? Where's the fade, my bro? I got long hair and I know what a fade looks like. To be honest with you, bro. So yeah, bro. When she walked out with those jeans on, I just propped up and you ain't going out like that.
Cops had to retreat, bro.
And then, because I asked her, who you going out to see? See, some of my friends, yeah, and this friend probably a boy. I said, nah. Every time she's with a boy, I intentionally go to handshake them and I crush the shit out of their hair now. There's no Craftsman grip either, they've got to use it for something else other than garbage. G1 Ray, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Holy shit, we're almost at. There's some goals who. Thanks for the love today, guys. Yeah, I'm a very protective person when it comes to anyone within my family. Meeting, the opposite. Oh, not so much more with my nephews. If they're going to meet a girl, I just tell them don't be a fuckhead. Open the door, open the door for her. Yeah, normally if it's my nephews or my male cousins, don't be a fuckhead. Don't try and act cool, because at the end of the day, you're not. That's normally my advice for like the younger ones in my family. Yeah, pretty much. Be polite. Wait a second, were you polite to Auntie? Nah, I laughed at her when she broke her teeth. That's how I met your auntie. Pretty much. How did you meet Auntie Uncle? Oh, she broke a chair at a party and I laughed at her. Was that your uncle's birthday? Took your Vinny Cross, that my guys got AMGs and we got Bentley's extended family and all street team. Very happy with that. I like the little last edition we made. Okay. Come on. Yeah, looks pretty good, eh? Happy with the outcome. Happy with the outcome, guys. What are we on right now? 19 out of 30. Holy shit, and today was just going to be a short stream too. Thank you very much for today. The streak is probably going to be broken today, but it's still appreciating, all the love and support as of late. Oshairi again. Tuhoe and Te Arawa, which are the main ones I acknowledge. I mainly acknowledge the iwi that I was raised in, pretty much. Got much plans for the week. We'll be back tomorrow, around 9:30. We'll be back carving tomorrow. For the rest of the day, I'm just gonna chill with my family and my niece and my nephew while they're here. You chill out with them, and probably later this evening, jam some games. I'm probably gonna get the final shape for D2. You come from Tuhoe, alright? From Tuawhenua, from right smack dab in the middle. Hold on, let me just put this away. Yeah, bro, it was Kifs and the bro Jar Jar. They were hurry up and get it, hurry up and get it. I was like, nah, it's too much. What time you shoot tomorrow? Most likely be 9:30, same time I started today, pretty much. But bro, that's pretty hardcore. What's happening? I'm glad that. I hope as well. We see a lot of Titans through this expansion because I feel like they're really underrepresented. Other than Zavala, but I want to see Saint Shax and Saladin drop in for this final war. Move Jones off. Oh yeah. Hope you like what we thought. That's what's haka. How do you lose my depot? Shit, sorry, shit. Sorry about that, shit. Alex Ron, filthy rich, you don't run no problems, bitch. Sorry about that. Whew. That was a cough and a half. Cool. G'day from Australia, cheer my bro, getting mad for me. I see where you wanna join. See through your lies, I just a team, bitch, you know the vibe. Aim for the left, man, eat on the right. Oh my, oh what a lie. Alright, shit. One more song, and we will call it time on the weekend streams there. So weekend streams will be no less than 2 hours. But yes, today was good. Fuck. Numb hands, big weapons, and kidnappers. Woo! And oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Okay, can we copy pasta this, please? Please copy pasta that. Copy pasta the word, please. Oh my freaking god, ASAP Mercenary. Thank you for the 10 bomb, bro. Oh, Cuzzy. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb. Oh, we almost cracked it. We almost cracked it. Thank you very much for the order. I do apologize that I'm about to leave soon. It's 02 in the morning. 02 back to bed, my brother. I'm gonna finish up soon. Thank you very much, ASAP Mercenary. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you very much. We almost hit some goal today. The tip of the ball sack. But yeah, that's gonna be me for today. I'm gonna head out and go spend some time with my niece and nephew before they go home. Oh, Onyx, thank you for the brand new T1. Oh, we're officially at 5 days in a row hitting the sub goal. Holy shit. Can we copy paste this message, please? Had to give it to him. I appreciate that, my brother. Can we copy paste Hades on top as our raid message, please? I want to see it spammed in the wall. Spammed in the wall. Spam it, spam it, spam it, shit. Oh. Yeah, copy paste the message and just spam it in the wall. I want the whole chat to be covered because I'm about to take it to someone. So one of my boys who plays GTA RP, they finally named their gang yesterday and it's called Hades. He's a really good dude too. He's a father like myself. And a really amazing person as well. So yes, that is going to be us. Thank you very much for today, Whānau. Make sure you're spamming that in his chat, please. Double P E E double P when your guns from me. Alright guys, much love. Show some love to my boy Lithium. Spam Hades on top in his chat. And I'll see you all later, eh? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love yous and I'll see you all tomorrow. Kakite. Hey, that's a cool Murloc skin. Wait, is that Jesse Cox's emote? Yo, that's cool. Bye bye guys.